Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily remove payment method on Shopify. So first, you may want to head over to admin.shopify.com and make sure that you're logged into your account. Next, click on settings. This can be found at the bottom left corner of your screen. Then click on payments. Then next is select the specific payment method that you want to remove. Say for example, we want to remove PayPal and all you have to do is click on deactivate. Then proceed by clicking on deactivate. I also have set up manual payment methods here and all you have to do is click on the edit button and click on deactivate the specific payment method. So it works on all payment methods that you want to remove. Just click on deactivate. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!